Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install shaders into your Lunar client. So first of all, you're going to go to your browser and go, for example, to curseforge.com. Here you can just download Minecraft mods, and on Minecraft mods you can just write down shaders and download anything you like. So for example, I'm going to just download immersed with shaders and press download. Now it will save to my downloads. And now once you have your shaders, you don't want to extract them, just leave them like so. And now all you need to do is go on the search bar, write down run. On run, you want to write down %app data %. Just like so. And then press OK. After you're here, you want to find .minecraft folder, open it. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Now, after you are here, you want to go to shader packs folder, and as you can see, it's empty now. So all you need to do is just drag that file, zip file right there, and that's pretty much it. Now, after that, you want to launch your Lunar client, launch the game, and go ahead to Lunar settings. So the first button at the bottom, go right there, press on the mods, and you want to make sure to just write down here lightning, and you want to disable the lightning because otherwise the shaders will not work. Now after this, you want to go ahead and go to the settings. Now on the settings, you want to go to video settings, and from here you want to press on shader packs. So here it is, the one we have downloaded. So all you need to do is now press on it and then click done, and that's pretty much it. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.